So you just landed a sale on your free Systeme.io account. Congratulations. Now the question is, well, how would you give that person different set of emails because they're classified different? They already purchased. How would you change the emails that they're receiving? And there's a way you could do this for free. You don't have to spend any money. Okay, so I want to share with you that free way as well as two automated ways of doing that. Okay, and if you're wondering what the heck this picture is, this is actually of a factory I went to. It was like an old mill, and this river actually ran the entire factory. That's the wheel, and it powered the whole mill to make clothes back in the 1800s. I thought that was really pretty cool. All right, so this is an app I created. It kind of talks about the different tiers, and if you purchase or whatever, what you get, and there's the free plan and what you get with it as well. Okay, you get one automation rule with the free plan. So why do you want to segment your list? Okay, it's a very good question. And the cool thing about email marketing, there's a lot of benefits. For one, there's this whole theory that some people have to look at something multiple times before they purchase, right? Before they pull the trigger. Some people, they think it's a law of 7. There's the theory out there. Some people are that way. There probably are some people that do that way. Some people purchase things right away, okay? And most people maybe in the middle, like 3 or 4 times, something like that. That's a sweet spot. So with email, you can introduce a product or offer multiple times in different angles, right? And thus increase your closing rate, and you can make more money. Okay, and there's a way to do this where it's not annoying. It's actually very fun. Okay, that's one benefit. And another benefit is if you're in a niche, you could introduce multiple products, opportunities, or whatever, and thus increase your money. And another really big benefit, which I have to mention, is these platforms change all the time. So when you grow an email list, it can protect you from changes in algorithms, whatever platform you're using too. Okay, but there's other benefits, right? But those are just 3. So why would you want to segment the list? Well, here's an example. Say someone purchases something, right, on day 1, and you have 7 emails talking about something. Well, they don't need to see those other 6 emails because they already purchased. So to improve the user experience, you can move that person, right, ahead so they don't have to see those emails. And you can do that for free. And that's the way why you want to segment the list. That's one way, okay? So how do you do that? Okay, well, what you would do is on Systeme.io, you would go over to the CRM up there at the top, right? And then you go to contacts, and this is just an example. You click on the person who just purchased, right? And maybe you just got the email, like, wow, cool, he just purchased. That's awesome. You can move them ahead. Then you would go to the more actions, and then you would click the subscribe to campaign right there, okay? Subscribe to campaign, and then select the one campaign that you're allowed in the free plan, and then it'll ask you where should that contact start. And then you choose the specific email step meant for the next step. So you can move them ahead. You can move them anywhere you want around if you wanted to, and you could to improve the user experience for that person. And then you click subscribe, and that's how you would do it. That's the free way. The bad news is yes, you have to manually do it. That's not automated way of doing that. There are 2 automated ways of doing that, which I want to share with you. Okay, the first one is you pay Systeme.io $17 a month. Okay, and then you get 10 automation rules, so you can do it 10 times. Okay, another benefit with Systeme.io is you won't have with a free plan, you're forced to use that little sticker on your landing page, which is an affiliate link, and you can get rid of that when you upgrade to $17 a month. Okay, so that's one option, and that's probably the easiest way. The second one is to use an AI automation platform like Make. They cost $12 a month for 10,000 credits a month. They do have a free plan as well, right? And I actually tried this. I want to kind of talk about my experience of using Make, because I actually had AI walk me through this, and after 2 hours, I still couldn't do it. This thing is super complicated, man. This is like, Some heavy stuff. And there is some bad news about Make as well, which I want to kind of talk about. With the free plan, you get so many credits, and then you can buy more credits. That's how it works, right? But here's the thing. If you set Make to watch for sales on a timer, right, for every 15 minutes, if there's an action, it can actually burn through your credits just checking if someone made a purchase. If 0 sales come in, you still have to burn through those credits. So that's one real negative thing about Make. Another thing, too, is it's like complicated. Again, it took me a look at this thing. Right? You have to set up these, they're called webhooks. I made these webhooks. Look at this thing. You figure this thing out? Holy crap. And I had AI walk me through this for 2 hours. I'm trying to figure this thing out. I was like, oh man, this is pretty heavy. So that's how you would do it. But the easiest way is you would pay Systeme.io and upgrade if you want automated. But there's the free way of doing it. You just manually do it. And you know, that's how you do it. Okay. All right. And if you want to know more about this whole post that I made here, I'll put the link down in the description, in the first comment. You can check it out. There's like a little tool here that kind of walks you through everything. And if you might be wondering, okay, well that's great, Kevin, but how do you make money with this email like thing or sales funnel? Well, just one idea is affiliate marketing, and there's a lot of ways you can make money online. Affiliate marketing might be the easiest because someone just has to click something and make a purchase, and you get paid. There's other ways, like if someone fills out a form, you can actually get paid too. So there's a lot of different ways with affiliate marketing. But there's some high-ticket affiliate offers out there, and I made a whole video about 9 high-ticket affiliate offers where you can make lots of money with just one sale. You don't have to deal with customer service or shipping or anything like that. You just have to refer someone, you get paid. So it's a wonderful way to make a little bit of extra cash on the side hustle. And what's so cool about affiliate marketing is nearly every company or business has some type of affiliate program where you can make a little bit extra cash. So whatever you're into, maybe it's rock climbing. You can make money on rock climbing or knitting or whatever it is. And I'll put the link to that video somewhere up here, and I'll put it in the description as well. But they're really cool 9 ways. There's a lot more, but I just kind of came up with 9, which I think are really interesting. You can check it out if you want. All right, and have a wonderful and awesome, blessed rest of your day.